What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to force a laptop to use NVIDIA GPU and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on the settings. And right now from here navigate to the system, and right now go over here for the display. So right now if you scroll down, there is an option called advanced display. Select this one, and right now over here what we need to do is you just need to go over here, not the advanced display. There is one mistake which I did. You have to go over here, navigate to the graphics, and right now from here, as you can see, these are some of the available things. So if you wanted to change, for example, the Forza Horizon is added, so I have to select this one, and right now we have options over here to select this one. So by default this will be let Windows aside. So if I wanted to change the NVIDIA GPU, so I have to run it on the NVIDIA GPU with the high performance. Over here, as you can see, we have high performance, which says NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. From let Windows aside, I need to change this one to the high performance. I have to go for save. Whenever I try to launch the game, it will be running on the high performance, so I'll not be having any kind of issue. And this is how you can change it. So there are a few apps over here. And apart from this, if you wanted to add any apps, I can add it. So all I need to just is click on the browse and navigate to the app where it's installed. For me, I'm just getting to E. So go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. So right now I'm having the Grand Theft Auto. So select this one, and I'm going to go over here into the Grand Theft Auto, or I can just get into one more thing which I downloaded very recently. That is over here in the new disk volume D. Go into Steam library, Steam apps, get into the common, Call of Duty HQ, and I'm just going over here and I need to find the Call of Duty over here. So right now I'm having the Call of Duty. So this is actually the COD, the application, and also I'm having a few more things. So what I'm going to just go over here and select this one and go for added. So right now the Call of Duty is added, so I'm going to change. This is how you can add it, and I can change it to high performance as well. So if you don't find any apps here, you can just add it clicking on the browse icon and navigate to add it. But also adding the respective can be changed by going over here like this, change it from this one to this one, as I have shown it already in this video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.